Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to INFINITI of Nashua, we have our 2023 BMW X7 M60. Oh yeah, this thing is absolutely awesome. Took this in yesterday, I appraised it, and I said, okay, this thing is awesome. Rear wheel steer, fully loaded as you can get one of these. $113,000 original MSRP with the individual ivory over gray. Whoops, nope, don't want that. No, stop doing that. No, how do you do a thing on this? Aha. Ah, okay. So that's how that works. To get into there, I want to do this. Put that back. Okay, so then that defaults back to that setting. I like that. Love the BMW logo inside the lights. M60i, which means it has the 4.4 liter twin turbo V8 and PPF. Oh, I didn't catch that. Full PPF, baby. Well, full front PPF. Oh, that's a win. Oh, that's a big win. Oh, that's huge. That is huge. All right. Air suspension. Oh, heated and cooled cup holders. Without further ado, put this thing in drive, sport. Actually, I'll do it in drive and then I'll go into manual. Do have heads-up display that it's leveled to the vehicle, which is kind of cool. So as you turn, as the car takes angles, the rev counter changes. So it's pretty darn cool. I don't think you guys will be able to see it, just depending on the angle of the camera. What a machine, man. I love the little burbles. Oh, it's so good. And then once you drive like a civilized human being, it becomes so livable. thing is, okay, this is BMW's largest SUV. Maybe the XM is slightly bigger, but let's just say for all intents and purposes, this is the biggest SUV they offer. What BMW does so well with all their M products and M line products and everything like that, because this is not an MX7 or X7M, this is an M trim. So what they do so well is make these things so good to drive. They are just, oh, they feel like if you were to take them on a track, they would handle it. It feels like this has been tuned at the Nürburgring and it's able to take a lap and have no problem. And saying that about a 3-row SUV is pretty darn impressive. For the time being, Porsche does not make a 3-row SUV. And this might be... I could see somebody in a Cayenne, if they need a 3-row SUV, buying one of these and saying, yep, this is similar. Suspension is so good. The brakes are just as good. With the rear wheel steer, how's the turning circle? Phenomenal. Oh. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.